are you doing?
That one, number 1.
Sige na, ano mo.
Okay, guys. Yep.
Is this for the vlog?
Yes.
So hey guys, we're moving into another house.
We're not yet. We're just
Not
checking
yet.
out.
We're just checking out the house for next time.
Oh.
Hey, Tita. Oh, it's nice.
So it's the kitchen.
It has its own couch.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Mommy, I found a room for you. Can I go upstairs to my room?
Yep.
Can I go upstairs to my room?
Ang ganda, ma'am, no?
I think I know where.
Kasi mga appliances na to,
Kasama yan.
kasama?
Tita,
Kasama mo mga appliances.
Pag bumibili ka ng bahay dito, na meron kang makitang appliances,
Oo.
unless otherwise, stated, hindi kasali. Pero yan, kasali.
Itong mga to kasali yan.
Ito for staging yan.
For staging, so tatanggalin yan.
Tatanggalin mo.
Ang mga kasali lang,
Ang mas masali dyan yung appliances.
yun lang mga yun.
Yeah, refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, tsaka stove.
Okay. Tapos may backyard.
Yeah.
Ha? Oh, ang ganda. Ano tong area na to?
Ang tawag dito, Lunan Loop. Ay, ito solarium.
Ano? Solario.
Atrium solarium.
Yup. Ito yung likod ng bahay. Yeah. So, saan yung ano mo, dining mo dito?
Yeah.
No?
Kaya naman pwede kang mag-ano rito. Depende kung anong gusto mong gawin. Kasi yung iba ang ginagawa nila, ito lang kasi meron silang bar stools, di ba? Or sometimes, ang ginagawa nila, ito. Dito.
Dito.
Ito ang family room mo.
Oo.
Or living room mo.
Ang gagawin mo, isasara mo yan.
Sara mo to.
Oo.
Kasi ito parang magiging family, parang itong pinaka, mo
Oo.
yung guest room. Pwede mong gawin guest room ito.
So ito ang isasara mo, dito ka magano ngayon. Dito ka magsusofa. Ano to, fireplace?
Yeah, fireplace. Gas yan.
Gas? Ang ganda pala ng mga tingnan sa taas. Ano to dito? Ito yung toilet ng dito.
Yeah.
Gusto mo, ma'am?
Yeah.
Maliit lang siya pero ang ganda.
Yeah.
Guys, come in, come in. So, this is my room. Maybe we're gonna move in this house, and this is maybe gonna be my closet.
Okay.
And this is my sister's room, and her closet. And guys, I have to show you a secret room. Guys.
So you're gonna be sharing the toilet with your sister?
Yes. Guys, come on, come on. I have to show you something. Let's come down the stairs. Let me show you something. There's chocolate milk. What?
Ano?
Look.
No!
Guys. Look.
Nakapili na siya ng room niya.
Oo.
If you come in here, look. This is so secret.
Ano yan?
Guys, look. This is so secret.
Storeroom.
Storage.
Storage room.
Yeah.
Mama, nakita mo na yung parking?
Ate, can I show you
Oo.
something? Can I please show you something? Guys.
Dalawang toilet.
Can I show you? Yes.
2 full bath.
Diyan yung...
Yung parking.
Wait, I'm gonna put on my slippers. Come in the kitchen, Amy.
Gusto mo? Ang ganda, no? No. Maliit lang siya, pero maganda. Okay, next.
No, I want to move.
Guys, this is the second house. Natitingnan na amin. Yan. Hello?
This is a no-no for me. No. Guys, this is a no.
Tapos, ang gagawin ko sa inyo, nanghingi ako kay Scott ng estimate.
Okay.
450, 500, 550.
Okay.
Para alam niyo ang difference ng monthly payment kung ang difference ng prices is between 50,000. Makikita niyo kung gaano ka-liit. So a lot of people, ganun ang sinitingnan, hanggang 500 lang po kami. Pag nakita mo ang difference noon, sasabi ko, pwede naman pala. Diba? Ganun ka rin. Para mas marami ng option, ha? At least meron kayong idea kung anong difference ng monthly payment. It's either $100 or, you know, $150 or, you know, $50.
So this is the backyard.
Guys, I hate this.
What's the difference on the taxes?
This is a no-no.
The insurance that you're getting.
This is a no-no, okay? I want
See?
swing.
They have,
Play on the swing.
yeah, and they have slide.
That's why I want to live in this house.
Do you want to live in this house or the first house that we went to?
First,
YouTube. Come here. Mhm. Ilang bedroom to, mami?
Tatlo.
Tatlo din.
Mas bet na yung may taas.
it's disgusting.
Hey! Sabel!
This is the master's bedroom.
Can I stop it?
No, it's because, you know, I think they want to.
The second one.
Stop touching Sabel.
I like this room, but I don't like this house.
This is the third bedroom. Okay. Yes. This is the community. Yeah.
No more. Stop touching Sabel.
Do you like the house, Isabel?
No,
Chugi.
I want to go to the. I want to go to the. This is so.
Sabel. You and your big mouth.
I want, mommy.
Stop scratching.
Are we going to the next house now?
Yeah.
We're gonna go now.
So guys, this is the third house. Yan. That's the third house.
Parang puro ano yun.
Parang ano?
Parang puro
I said I love you, I love you, I love you. We're back. Hey guys.
This is the third house.
This is the third house. We're still waiting. Daddy.
Come, Tita Will, ano, park there.
Tita.
Go.
Come here, Tita Will, park there. Tita Will, park there.
Tita.
Okay. So this is guys the third house. Yan.
There's no stairs, love.
It's okay. He's bending on his leg.
Tita, ano yun?
Ha?
Kasama yan?
Yeah, kasama yan. May storage yan.
Yeah, I want to live here. Yeah.
Ang ganda rin ito.
Is this apple
Big.
That's
So big.
Oh, so big.
Ba't nalalakihan kayo?
Oo.
Sa totoo.
Not like that.
Mas malaki bahay mo dito, tita?
Ito, ilang square feet ito? Sana,
Ay, wala akong...
ito I think is around 15, right? 15 ito, 15. Yung
15.
bahay ko, 2-story, 3,600.
Oh. So this is the first bedroom.
Na siya.
This is the second bedroom. Yan.
Mommy, I found a bedroom for you and Daddy.
This is the storage. Oh, this is the master's bedroom.
Malaki. Malaki talaga.
This can be my parents'
Yeah.
room. And me and my sister have our own room. Hey guys, this is my parents' room, and I'm gonna have my own room too. So, this is
So this is the common toilet.
Yeah, hallway bath.
Full bathroom. Oh, so this is the laundry area.
Let me show you something.
Oh, this is the garage. It's a garage.
Checking the fridge. This is my people.
Tita. Another storage.
It's real?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't think so.
You.
I know.
Yeah. Can I? Do you want to
Yeah.
go check the storage house, Daddy?
Yeah, this is the backyard.
Come on, let's go check the storage house, guys. Daddy! Dad! Come on, let's go check the storage
Yeah.
house.
Okay.
This
This is the backyard.
I kind of like it, guys.
So big.
It's so big. Let's check the storage house.
No, it's not open. There's a snake over there. Okay. Yes.
We don't have snakes. It's
Yeah.
going to be to have snakes.
So guys, this is the
Third house.
fourth house. This is the fourth house, yeah. It's a condo.
It's a condo. I don't like condos. It's like apartment.
It's a condo.
This feels like something's coming to me. Moving into a new house. Dad, can we stop the video?
Why?
Mommy? This one was so...
Oh, this is the condo. B102.
Hi. We have an appointment. We were kind of early. Is it okay to go in?
I live here, so
Yeah.
I'm not the realtor.
Huh?
I'm not the
Oh.
realtor.
I know. I set up an appointment with the realtor and they
Yeah.
confirmed it with me.
Yeah.
I am the real estate person.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My name is Victoria Berger.
Oh, I thought you were the person looking at the house.
Well, I have my clients with me.
Okay, yeah, no, I know, but
Yeah.
I was like, no, you gotta wait for the realtor.
Yeah.
Sila may-ari? Siya may-ari?
They live there.
Oh. Kahoy din. Sa first floor, no?
Sorry, I was in Burlington.
So, this is the fourth house, right? It's a condo. Oh. Yep. So, what's that?
Okay naman.
Okay.
Magkano to?
This is 369.
Ito yung hallway bath niya.
This is the hallway bath. That's the second room.
Sakto lang yung rooms niya sa mga bata.
This is the third room. This is the... Oh, this is the washer and dryer. Ha?
Guys, I like it.
Mas gusto mo to?
Medyo. Oh, hindi daw sa kanya.
Madali lang linisin, no? Guys, this is the 5th house. Siya pala mo, tinan mo. Coldwell Bunker, Victoria. Yup, this is the 5th house. Huh?
Hey, wait!
So this is the kitchen.
But it's sold.
Huh?
It's sold.
Old?
It's sold.
Sold to? Hindi pa.
Nabenta na.
It's still not. It's still not.
Oh.
You know, it's pending, but you know what? There might be a little bit of, you know.
It's not sold.
Laundry.
Yeah, that's a laundry. What is that?
That's the garage.
It's a 2-car garage. 2-car garage.
Or ewan ko, siguro yung pag ganon, parang
Ito yung living room.
this is good.
This is the sunken living room. That is the formal reception. Ito yung pinaka, ano mo, ano mo dyan. Oh. Diba?
Maganda siya.
This is the ano? This is the living room.
Yeah. Maganda ang yard dito. Sabihin mo kay ano.
Mami!
Tina! Halika, tignan mo tong yard dito. Tapos dito, tingnan mo. Palilinis.
Here's the backyard.
Low maintenance ang backyard niya.
Oo.
Diba?
Low maintenance yung backyard kasi
Low
ano.
maintenance ang backyard niya. Yun na.
Pag may party.
Yeah. Kung meron kong bisita, mag-barbecue kayo dito. Yung mga bata pwede maglaro. Andun pati dito sa kabila.
Maganda nga.
Pag tinignan mo to, pag isinarado mo lahat ito, wala kang maririnig. The reason why is because nandito siya malapit sa highway, di ba? The builder made sure na wala kang maririnig.
Yeah. Ang ganda.
Sure, you can have it.
Hey, I have permission, like Daddy said.
Yeah, you can
Let's
have
go.
it. Yeah.
Let's go up.
Tingnan mo, mas yung master bedroom, magustuhan mo
Ang
yun.
ganda. Maganda rin presyo nito. Magkano po presyo nito?
549.
549. Pwede pang babaan?
Oh, tawag.
500?
Hindi naman niya natatanggapin. Ako naman sasabi niya, hindi tatanggapin.
Oh, ganun. Tapos anong libre dito?
Lahat.
Can this, I want that to be
Ano
my
to?
room.
Pantry. Yung iba walang pantry, no?
Subukan mo, isarado mo natin dito na wala kang marinig kahit na anong sasakyan. Ah!
Oh, ito na naman tayo. Ito yung common na ano.
Ito yung powder room na tinatawag.
Oh.
Diba?
Oh, boy,
So this is the second floor.
gonna be my room.
Yup, this is the second floor, guys.
Hindi na nakita mo yung master?
This is my room.
Ganda, diba?
This is the master's bedroom.
Oo, tingnan mo.
This will be my room.
Ang ganda. Gusto mo? Ha? Wait, buksan mo para may vlog. Yup. Saka may taas.
May taas, diba? Lahat ng privacy nasa taas. Lahat ng functional nasa baba.
This is the second. Ang gaganda. This is the second. Ilang room to? 4?
Yeah.
Ang ganda niya.
Yeah. Diba?
And this is my
Ngayon, itong subdivision na to, isa to sa may mga magagandang klaseng bahay.
Magkano HOA nito?
Ang HOA nito is like 300 a year.
A year.
Yes, a year yun.
Oh.
A year. Wala yung monthly, ha? A year.
Tapos ang annual tax nito magkano?
Siguro ilagay mo na lang palagi sa 39.70 or 1% of whatever is yun lang ang ano mo. Kasama na yun sa PITI.
Yung kasama na yun sa
Sa mortgage.
Yeah,
hindi ka magsaseparate ng bayad unless you pay this off. Tapos yung tax mo, syempre babayaran mo separately. Diba?
Yung annual tax?
Yeah, baka magbayad na.
Oh, pagbayad na yun, no?
Oo.
Ay, yung kapag bayad na, yung ikaw na. Pero pag
PITI ka pa din.
ano yung PITI?
Principal, interest, taxes,
Okay.
and insurance.
Kunwari, yung
Ako ba ay ini-interview mo?
Oo, sa vlog. Gusto ni Sheena to.
Ay, gusto ni Sheena to, di ba? Magugustuhan to sa akin.
Ang ganda.
Yeah.
So, kung sakali, tita,
Ah.
ang mangyayari nito, may mga repairs, sila magpaparepair.
Oo. Basta ano ang mga repair nito, basta talagang kailangan i-repair, i-repair.
Ang ganda.
Di ba? Parang bumao ka sa ano yun. Parang kang Reyna, di ba? Kasi ito mga bay window, at yun ang mga ganda ng may bay window pa siya, di ba?
Tapos, yung ano,
Ha? Yung work mo doon.
Oo.
Pero ito tinan mo, oh. Ha? Meron ka ng ganyan, di ba? Table na lang. Tapos, itong prep area mo, itong kitchen mo, ang ganda. Tapos yung, binuksan nila yung tubig eh, oh.
hey, don't open it.
Isabel!
Eh, ano mo ito?
Ang gusto ko dito ay yung
Daddy.
Yeah,
Yan.
di ba? Wala ka ng problema.
Who played the water?
pwede yung pinturahan na lang na
Oh, wow. Puti.
puti.
Di ba? Puti.
Ang ganda nito.
Ang ganda nito, di ba?
Magkano to?
549 lang.
549.
No, so ito, see, ang difference ito binigay sa akin.
Bigyan mo nga ako ng quotation nito.
Ito. Sinabi sa akin ni Scott. So, kapag 550, ang babayaran mo is 37.38. The whole 9 yards na yun, okay? Principal interest.
What do you mean 9 yards?
The whole 9 yards. Ibig sabihin nun, the full mortgage mo yun. 3,778. Principal, interest, taxes, insurance.
3.7.
Oo, 3,700.
Okay.
Kapag 500, 3,400.
Oo.
Tapos pag 450, 3,100.
453.1.
3,100, 3,500, kasi may mga putal pa eh.
Oo.
Tapos 3,700.
Pag 400 magkano?
Ay, 400, siguro mga ano lang yan, 3,000.
Oo.
Kasi ganoon din, di ba?
700.
Sabi sa iyo, ang mga pagitan nila,
Ma'am,
hindi kalaki.
yung 700,
Kasi ito,
300
for the
a
common
year naman.
area.
Oo.
Yeah. Yung mortgage nyo is bali 3,778.
Mga 3.
Ano lang yun ha? Kasi si Scott, ang kinokot niya sa'yo is to the highest na alam niya, okay?
Okay.
So maaaring malaki ang kanyang taxes, maaaring malaki ang insurance niya.
Okay.
You don't know. So
Okay.
this is just an estimate. Hindi
Pero,
siya
I
ang
mean,
pinali.
mas malaki pa dyan o mas mababa?
Mas mababa.
O mas mababa?
Mas bababa ng konti dito kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo,
Kung 3.7 kasi, malaki na yan pero kung mas mababa, okay sana.
yeah. 3,700 siguro, ganun.
Ano?
Depende yan sa ano ninyo, depende yan sa credit worthiness ninyo, depende yan sa taxes ng bahay, baka kinote niya ng malaki ang bahay, o kaya naman malaki ang insurance na kinolect niya sa inyo, something like that. So, siya mas maganda na iginokot niya kayo ng mas mataas and then later down the road, pag nag-final
Mababa.
analysis na kayo at nag-lock in na kayo for interest rate, mababa, di ba?
Oo nga.
Especially ngayon, ang interest rate is nasa 5.5. Kung
Oo.
gusto niyo bumili ng points,
Si
pwede
ano,
kayo
ginawa
bumili ng
niyang 5.75 eh, sa akin.
Yeah.
Pero pwede mas mababa pa daw.
Chubig.
Yeah.
Stop
So,
touching.
yun ang sinasabi ko, di ba?
Gusto ko to mo. Gusto mo to?
Parang homey ang dating niya, di ba?
Home, bahay talaga.
Bahay talaga ang
Oo.
dating, di ba? Hindi yung meron kang salang-alang sa neighbor mo, parang nakakahinga ka, di ba?
Oo.
Yeah. Tapos ngayon yung yard mo, hindi yung momo mo na ano, di ba?
Oo.
Nakita mo kung paano. Ito, solido tong ano na to. Ayan. Ang ganda yung ano niya.
So, anong mga minor repair dito?
Ay, depende sa inspection. Magpapa-inspection ka, di ba?
Ganun,
Ganun yun, yeah.
Tapos kami gagastos na ng repair na yun.
Ang repair, you have to, ask the seller if they could repair. Yung talagang worst case na yung mga necessity. Yung mga necessity.
Pwede itong for garage kasi for cars. Kasi dalawa sa loob, dalawa sa labas.
Driveway, yeah.
Ikot-ikot.
At saka ikaw malapit ka sa trabaho mo. Yeah. So, nasa gitna ka ngayon, di ba?
Hey!
Ang ganda niya.
Can we do handstand walk?
Sino may-ari nito?
Yung may-ari nito nasa Japan.
Kanino kami magba-backup offer?
Sa akin. Akong kausap niya rito.
Oh, okay.
So,
Mukhang ito yung nanalo ah.